Hey everyone, we're excited to share with you today a thorough look at the Obarter G10, the newest and best electric scooter model we've tested this year. We finally got our hands on the G10 after a year of waiting, and it definitely lives up to the expectations. All tastes can be satisfied with the G10, whether it's performance, style, or lighting effects. The Obarter G10 stands out from the competition in the congested scooter industry because of its outstanding appearance. At this price range, it's probably the most stylish scooter with a strong, elegant profile. The G10 is a robust and fashionable device, weighing about 40 kilograms and reaching 122 centimeters in height and length. A reinforced waterproof charging outlet, a streamlined handle, an all-metal integrated kickstand, and a newly created upright pole folding mechanism are some of the key appearance components. The complete RGB lighting system of the G10 is one of its most notable features. There are lights everywhere, including the handlebars, under the deck, in front and behind, and you may use a small remote to fully adjust the lighting effects. This gives your scooter a visually arresting appeal and lets you personalize it to your wants. A 2,400 watts twin motor providing 1,200 watts per motor powers the Obarter G10. Super torque and outstanding climbing capabilities are offered by this arrangement. Depending on your demands, the scooter may transition between single and dual motor modes. Even bigger riders up to 105 kilograms can enjoy fast rides with a top speed of 65 kilometers per hour. With a 960 watt-hour capacity and a 20 ampere-hours high-density battery, the G10 can realistically travel up to 50 to 55 miles on a single charge. The 10-inch explosion-proof tubeless tires on the scooter improve riding comfort with their unique pattern that adjusts to different types of roads. These tires offer outstanding stability and grip, guaranteeing a comfortable ride on various surfaces. Additionally, the G10 has hydraulic disc brakes with 160mm steel brake discs that provide stability. The G10 has a newly built NFC startup method that does not require a physical key. To activate the scooter, just place the card next to the meter. This offers both security and convenience. With features including full-body luminous lights, high-brightness long-range headlights, and front and rear turn signals, safety and visibility are the G10's primary priority. These components improve your safety and visibility, particularly in dimly lit areas. The Obarter G10's amazing acceleration is among its most remarkable qualities. This scooter takes only 4 to 5 seconds to accelerate from 0 to 50 kilometers per hour. Yes, it takes 4 to 5 seconds to reach 50 kilometers per hour. Every time you press the throttle, you'll experience an exhilarating ride thanks to the absolutely incredible acceleration. The G10's acceleration will astound you whether you're riding about town or commuting to work. Overall, the Obarter G10 is a great purchase if you're searching for a cost-effective, dependable, and adaptable scooter. It stands out from the competition in the electric scooter industry because of its potent performance, fashionable appearance, and cutting-edge features. We appreciate you viewing our thorough video. Please click the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you think this information was helpful. Have a nice day and God bless you.